Hey loves, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we'll be making one pot chicken sauce, guys. Like, this dish tasted so good. This sauce, all right, tasted so good and we enjoyed it so well. I love everything about it. It's super colorful, it is so nourishing, very flavorful, and you can pair this with any carb of your choice. I had mine with rice. Without wasting your time, let's just jump right into the cooking process. In a dry pan, transfer your vegetable oil. You can choose to use any oil of your choice, okay? Add in your salt and then your diced onions. I love onions, okay? So just do you add in the quantity that you like, okay? I'm gonna stir this and allow it to saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, guys, it's time for me to add my next ingredient, which is diced fresh tomatoes. I love the flavor it gives to this food. It is totally optional, okay, but I love the color and I love the flavors, okay? So I'm going to stir this and allow to cook for 5 minutes, okay? So after 5 minutes, guys, it is time for me to add in my other vegetables. Okay, I gave it a quick stir and I will go ahead and add in my diced or sliced carrots, okay, my peas. These are hard vegetables. I'm also going to season with some curry powder, some thyme. And then I added my thyme. Now I'll give this a quick stir, okay, so that everything gets incorporated, and I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook for 5 more minutes. Let's say 3 to 5 minutes, okay? So this is after 5 minutes, guys. I'm going to go ahead and add in my hot dog. These are chicken hot dog. I added my mushroom and sweet corn. I'm also going to add my chicken stock. I needed to add in the ginger at this point, guys. These are frozen ginger, fresh ginger. I seasoned with my seasoning powder. I'm going to give this a quick stir, guys. If at this point you've not hit the subscribe button, please do me well by smashing that subscribe button to be part of this family. My name is Uju and you are highly welcome to Ujulinn Space. It's time for me to add my next ingredient, which is habanero peppers. I blended the habanero pepper with some garlic, okay? Yet it is time for us to play with colors. I have in there bell peppers, green, yellow, red bell peppers, guys. One thing I love about this food is colors, guys. The color is giving me life. It's time for me to add my spring onion. I added in the spring onion and then I stirred this to combine properly. Are you guys ready for the main ingredients of this food? We have our chicken, guys. These are fried chicken, okay? I fried it for let's say 5 minutes. I'll go ahead and add the fried chicken at this point, guys. And at this point, again and again, guys, the food looks so delicious. It looks so yummy. My kitchen smells like heaven. My kitchen literally smells like heaven. Like For extra seasoning, guys, I went ahead and added my aromat. I love aromat. I love the flavor, the taste, everything it gives to my food. I added my aromat and I noticed that it needed some liquid, okay? If you have your chicken stock, if you have your vegetable stock, go ahead, and if you have your beef stock, but because I don't have any, I will go ahead and add in my water because I needed it to have some fluid, okay? Some water, all right? So guys, then I'll cover this and just allow it to boil. Just bring it to a boil. It's been boiling nicely for 2 minutes now, and it's time for me to add my last ingredient, which is the corn flour that I mixed earlier with water, okay, or rather I dissolved in water. So guys, at this point I just added the corn flour and allowed it to thicken up for just 2 minutes. Voila, the sauce is ready. My kitchen is amazing. I don't know the word to use. I don't even know what to say. We had this on a Sunday afternoon for lunch and it was totally worth it. Yes, we enjoyed every bit of it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.